So guys, like Google introduced their Google Dana game few weeks back, Opera GX launched their first ever game called Operius that you can play when there is no internet. So guys, to get this game, you have to be updated to the latest version of Opera GX, which I will put an overlay now. You can check whether it's your update. If you haven't, then go to the update section in your settings in Opera GX and then click on update. So guys, to get it, just go on to the search bar and type in anything you want. I mean anything. Search the web, maybe triple T search. Voila, no internet because I have switched off internet. As you can clearly see, no internet. I have turned off the Wi-Fi. That's why it comes. If you haven't turned off internet, it won't come like this. You will have to type in the URL, which I will put the link in the description below, so you can check it out while having internet. But anyway, just click on play game. So it's loading now. More presents, Operius. Best graphics ever. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things you can choose, but the game mode is the arcade mode, and from here you can check the high scores, and from here the story and credits, options, endless modes, scope edit, coop means cooperative mode, and then arcade mode again. So for now, let's click on arcade mode. Just press space to select. I have played this game and now I am in the sector 8, and this game is the version 1.1.0 and this is a 2021 version because the first version ever. So yeah, I'm gonna play sector 8, and to select it, just click on space.
Bitch, she steady dripping Sailor on. She got the perfect face, thumbing through the deck of 52, and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she mysterious like that.